Good afternoon, Pak Saiful Anwar and Mbak Ratna. I think that this only one participant from EIN, Pak Saiful Anwar. It means that we will to invite the first presenter is Pak Saiful Anwar. There are 13 minutes to presentations and divide with two pace. The first, Pak Saiful Anwar can present the slides about 10 minutes, and Mbak Ratna will give a notice 3 minutes before, 3 minutes left, and we will continue with QA or question and answer. We can discuss for to increase of paper quality from Pak Saiful Anwar, and Pak Saiful Anwar can show the slides, no?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, and time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce myself. My name is Saiful Anwar. Paper right of Mukhlasin, Rosana Eri Puspita, Arna Asna Anissa, Muhammad Rafiuddin, and Rifda Nabila. I'm from Faculty of Islamic Economic and Business, IAIN Salatiga, Indonesia. And this paper, the title of this paper, Loyalty and Word of Mouth of Muslim Women Who Use Mobile Comms in Indonesia. Table of content in this paper: 1. Introduction, 2. Literature review and hypothesis development, 3. method, and 4. Start and then conclusion. Introduction. COVID-19 increase of behavior online shopping of Muslim women. Online shopping through mobile commerce, eliminating face-to-face contract between seller and buyer, is certainly an interesting issue from an Islamic perspective by Muslim women. On the other hand, the mobile commerce services system is still at risk of services failure. Online shopping failure can be detrimental to buyer, seller, and the platform provider. Service quality by seller is positively related to customer satisfaction, loyalty, and word of mouth. And the research objective, one, the study aims to prove empirically the effect of e-service quality on mobile commerce as reflected by ease of use, information quality, load speed, visual appeal, security, and evidence of the existence of distributive justice, procedural justice, and transactional justice on satisfaction of Muslim women. And the study also aims to demonstrate empirically the effect of satisfaction Muslim women toward loyalty and word of mouth. This and then research objective to speed test the moderating variable of customer skill and personal innovativeness in moderating the relationship dimension of electronic services quality with satisfaction of Muslim women in Indonesia. This is a theory of the paper, technology acceptance model. TAM is theoretical model used to explain the use of an information technology. People behavior depend of often technology is used. This theory has been used very in many research to detect of intention. This application of the TAM is this study can be useful explaining the intention of Muslim women to shop online in mobile commerce. And justice theory. This theory was originally known equity theory. This paper integrated the services quality of mobile commerce, then procedural justice, interactional justice, distributive justice, and the Islam. This is important, and the Islam. This is important, and this is of Maqasid Sharia. This is important to Islamic contract in Islam. Hypothesis development, this is hypothesis one. The quality mobile commerce devices is easy to use, information quality, low speed, visual appeal, security, distributive justice, interactional justice, and procedural justice has positive effect on satisfaction Muslim women. Hypothesis two, user skill will be moderate the relationship between a quality of mobile commerce devices received by Muslim women and innovativeness is tendency adopting of new services system. And hypothesis three, personal innovativeness will moderate the relationship between a quality of mobile commerce services this Muslim women. And hypothesis four, satisfaction of Muslim women using mobile commerce can be increased loyalty behavior. And hypothesis five, satisfaction of Muslim women using mobile commerce can be increased word of mouth behavior. So the method is quantitative research, and the instrument survey we developed to look at 7 points. One is strongly disagree, four neutral, and 7 strongly agree. And this instrument, according to easy to use, according to Grandin and Pearson 2004, information quality according to Kim et al. 2008, load speed according to René Rowski, Crumbly, and et al. 2009, and visual appeal according to Kair and Bunani 2005, security according to Parasuraman et al. 2005, and distributive justice, interactional justice, and procedural justice according to Fang et al. 2011, and Muslim women skill according to Zhang et al. 2011. And Muslim women personal innovativeness according to Agarwal and Prasad to 1998, and Muslim women satisfaction according to Udo 2010, and loyalty and work mode according to Choi and Choi 2014. And sample in this paper, population of Muslim women in Indonesia, I share by Google Form lewat to info cegatan atau or community in the big city in Indonesia. And this the 3,023 Muslim women in Indonesia. This is proportive sampling. The respondent in user of mobile commerce platform C2C customer to the customer at least 2 transaction during a pandemic. And the respondent is female and is more than 23 years old. And this is analysis of PLSM, outer model and inner model. Outer model is used to access validity and reliability of the model, and the inner model to predict the causality relationship between a variable. And the statistical test parameter we obtain to predict the existence of causality relationship from bootstrapping. And result, this is output structural equation modeling and analysis, surface quality of mobile commerce and satisfaction Muslim women. Easy to use online shopping mobile commerce is positive effect on satisfaction. The visual appeal, positive effect on Muslim women satisfaction. Security is positive effect on satisfaction Muslim women. Distributive is positive effect of Muslim women satisfaction. And procedural justice is positive effect and satisfaction. And other hand, on service quality, information quality has no effect on Muslim women satisfaction. Load speed has no effect on Muslim women satisfaction. Interactional justice does not affect on satisfaction of Muslim women. And this is moderating variable in this article: service quality, satisfaction, skill, and innovativeness of Muslim women. The service quality, skill of women. This is moderate the relationship between dimension service quality on the satisfaction of Muslim women, and service quality of skill of Muslim women does not moderate the relationship between dimension of service quality and satisfaction of Muslim women. And satisfaction of Muslim women loyalty and word of mouth. This is satisfaction positive effect to loyalty, and satisfaction is positive effect to word of mouth Muslim women in mobile commerce during pandemic. And this is Ahmed, Kandeli, and so on to SAIH 2018. Conclusion, the satisfaction experience of transaction of mobile commerce encourage the loyalty of behavior of Muslim women to do online shopping during PSBB 3 times. The satisfaction also the impact word of mouth which shown online customer behavior of Muslim women on the mobile commerce application. And there is proof the justice theory. This is a justice story that respect bahwa unhappy in Islam to prove how positive effect to satisfaction of Muslim women when online shopping. For this reason, it is important to mobile commerce application provider to reinforce the concept of justice in the marketplace. Fitoration should examine existing moral economy in online shopping. In addition to testing satisfaction, loyalty, and word of mouth, it is necessary to create a combination model on application service quality, user internal factor, and user external factor, such as customer review and lifestyle. This is my presentation, Prof. Suryana.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you, Pak Saiful, for the presentations. It's been for Mbak Ratna. I not know about your department from. Are you student in Pasca Sarjana, Mbak Ratna?
Yes.
Where is the department from?
Nil.
In?
Magister Ilmu Lingkungan.
Oh, MIL, yeah. Okay. So it's mean that Jasmine have near related about the topic for discuss about Pak Saiful Anwar. But maybe Ratna can give questions for Pak Saiful, maybe if you have related studies about the woman, maybe. Yeah. Okay. First questions for Pak Saiful. How is to collect data from your research, Pak Saiful?
And collect data to online Google Form, Prof.
Using Google Form? Okay.
Google Form. I share to my community or my relation, and I share to Facebook.
Okay.
Facebook. This is info cegatan, Prof. Info cegatan.
Okay.
This is my collect data.
What is about info cegatan from Salatiga community, maybe, or your campus community? Info cegatan.
Info cegatan. This is in several city in Indonesia. And I share to collect data in Muslim women on several city in Indonesia.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I think that this is a good idea using a simple method to collect data, and you must use the Google Form, very cheap method and very effective. Would you like to show the your presentations in first page? I don't know that sometime Pak Saiful say about Zahman framework. Zahman. Yeah.
Zahman.
Yeah. Okay. In the fact, I think that Pak Saiful use the standard of assessment maybe ya, using Zahman method. So in my opinion that we have many method to consider of assessment of loyalty from the e-commerce, but I do know what is the reason, apa alasannya that Pak Saiful using Zahman framework to give an assessment in the research. Zahman framework.
Zahman framework, Prof. This is
oh, sorry. I missed it. Not Zahman, but TAM, technological acceptance model. I'm sorry. Yeah. What is the considerations that?
My reason to technology acceptance model. This is to application time to the intention of Muslim women, Prof. This is explain intention and satisfaction Muslim women. Jadi to make mobile commerce to
okay. Okay. Yeah, I see that is a method, and you can keep assessment from the loyalty of Muslim people, women Muslim people from here. It means that if you use the TAM model, you must have a consider, harus punya pertimbangan gitu. What is the reason of your consider that you use this method? You know that TAM is method, you know. TAM itu sebuah model untuk mengassessment gitu.
Ya, model to assessment, Prof. This is model to assessment. This is, saya kembangkan dari metode ini. Saya bukan metode, Prof. Ini teori yang kemudian saya untuk menjelaskan kepuasan itu. Kemudian Cooker 2013 juga menjelaskan itu. Kemudian saya kembangkan bahwa di dalam I'm sorry to Indonesian ya, Prof.
It's no problem. That is clear.
Jadi kenapa kemudian saya kembangkan itu, Prof? Saya dalam Islam itu menjunjung tinggi keadilan, nilai keadilan. Nah, kemudian teknologi acceptance model itu digunakan untuk mengidentifikasi seseorang memakai sebuah aplikasi itu untuk kenapa gitu kan. Nah, ini saya tempatkan aplikasinya adalah beberapa ease to use, information quality, and integrasi. Saya integrasikan dengan prinsip di dalam Islam adalah keadilan, Prof. Karena keadilan bagi saya penting karena tanpa keadilan tidak tercipta kemaslahatan di dalam Islam. Makanya this is in research saya sekarang yang saya kembangkan sekarang adalah halalan thayyiban marketplace. Jadi saya kembangkan ke halalan thayyiban marketplace.
Berarti ini unsurnya yang diambil ya, unsur dari TAM-nya ya.
Yes,
it means that you had a device of TAM questionnaire. Pakai kan TAM itu kan bentuknya kan questionnaire ya, pertanyaan-pertanyaan ya.
Ada. Iya, Prof. Yes, this is pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Itu kan ada. Ya, ini this is the TAM is to use information quality. This is a model of TAM.
Yes, I see. Terus ini diambil yang mempunyai related dengan Islamic.
Islamic. Saya Islamicnya mengembangkan dari justice theory, distributive justice, interactional justice, and procedural justice. This is integrate to marketplace.
I think that's good idea. To combine of the TAM model with the Islamic religion's knowledge from Al-Quran and Al-Hadith maybe. Thank you Pak Saiful Anwar, and I think that time is enough, Mbak Ratna ya.
Terima kasih juga atas arahannya Prof. Suryono. Semoga beberapa lain waktu bisa berjumpa ke Semarang.
Insya Allah ya, nanti kebetulan kita virtual, kalau nggak virtual, kantor saya di lantai 5 dari gedung yang dipakai untuk kegiatan e-science ini. Kalau Mbak Ratna itu lantai berapa ya?
Saya lantai 4, tapi gedung
Del,
sebelah.
Del itu ya gedung B ya?
Iya, gedung B.
Gedung B ya kita. Baik. Oke, thank you very much for your participants. Terima kasih Mbak Ratna. Ini saya harus email atau diapakan ya Mbak Ratna untuk asesmennya kegiatan ini. Yang Excel ini tahu saya harus kirim kemana?
Prof, ini kan masih ada harusnya 2 peserta lagi.
Ini nggak ada itu?
Ya, ini gimana baiknya, Prof?
Atau gini aja, Pak Saiful bisa live dari grup ini.
Oh, yes.
Kalau mau menunggu ya nggak apa-apa. Ini kita tunggu saja. Kita standby di sini.
Saya juga standby, nggak
Nanti
apa-apa, Prof.
ya jika ada partisipan yang masuk, kita layani saja ya. Karena kadang-kadang partisipan itu have more than one paper in here. So sometimes the participant must divide the time and have a same schedule. Jadi bentrok jadwalnya. Jadi kita akan tunggu saja ya kalau gitu ya.
Yes, Prof. Yes.
Baik, kita stay aja di sini. Sebenarnya saya belum sholat juga nih, saya mau sholat dulu.
Yes.
Oke,
Yes,
baik.
Prof.
Oke. Mbak Ratna, Pak Saiful, saya kira kita pending saja ya, karena waktunya memang ini tidak ada yang join lagi ya. Nanti kalau seandainya ada yang join, biar menghubungi ke komite aja lah kalau gitu ya, karena memang sudah berarti kan telat 1 jam kan gitu ya. Tapi nanti kalau ada yang mau datang, kita tetap ini lagi, kita tetap layani biar mereka kontak ke kontak personnya, saya nggak tahu di itu, terus nanti kontaknya bagaimana, nanti misalnya Mbak Silvi atau siapa biar menghubungi saya, atau Mbak Ratna nanti bisa kontak saya ya.
Baik,
Oke.
Prof.
Oke.
Baik.
Saya itu kemarin itu di rumah sakit gitu, pas ada check up gitu, perawatan badan saya gitu. Saya kena COVID sekeluarga, tapi kemarin saya sudah sembuh, hanya pas check up gitu.
Ini sekarang udah di rumah ya, Prof?
Ini di rumah, saya di rumah ya, selama COVID itu diisolasi mandiri gitu. Diisolasi mandiri, tapi support dari teman-teman luar biasa itu. Senang sekali saya dengar saya sakit itu semua mensupport dengan banyak hal. Alhamdulillah. Pak Saiful, insya Allah kita kapan-kapan bersilaturahim ya.
Baik, Prof.
Jadi
Saya yang sowan ke Semarang, Prof.
ya, nanti bermain kalau sudah tidak pandemi di S3 Sistem Informasi saya. Ya.
Iya, Prof.
Itu di lantai 5 ya. Lantai 5 di Undip. Pak Saiful sudah S3?
Baru mau, Prof. Ini sedang
ya.
LPDP.
Oh gitu.
Saya baru 28 tahun, Prof. Jadi,
iya. Ya. Oh, masih muda itu.
Ya, masih. Ya, ini
ya, jadi nanti kalau Mbak Ratna sudah punya instansi, Mbak Ratna?
Belum, Prof.
Nanti lulus terus cari pekerjaan kan ini.
Iya.
Nanti bisa S3 selanjutnya. Ini tawaran itu banyak ya, beasiswa itu banyak, termasuk Undip itu memberi beasiswa itu. Undip. Ini saya dapat jatah, jadi karena H indeks saya di atas 5, H indeks jurnal Scopus saya, maka saya dapat dana tahunan, dan salah satu dana saya itu bisa untuk menyekolahkan mahasiswa S3. Hanya nanti belum
ya, Prof,
iya, by research. Hanya belum ada biaya hidupnya, Pak. Hanya biaya research dan biaya publikasi gitu. Karena jadi ada kira-kira 20 profesor ya di Undip yang diberi dana oleh Undip, dan salah satunya boleh digunakan untuk mendorong mahasiswa.
Saya itu sebenarnya juga pengen information system, Prof. Jadi saya juga kuliah akuntansi, saya juga pengen menguasai information system.
Oh iya,
memang ini waktunya yang belum ada kesempatan juga.
Itu kalau bisa dikembangkan, yang namanya information system itu kan gabungan antara IT dan ekonomi.
Ya, ini
contohnya ya e-commerce seperti yang dikerjakan Pak Saiful ini gitu. Hanya memang kalau dibuat irisan bilangan beririsan gitu, irisan terbanyak harus di IT-nya gitu.
Iya, Prof.
Jadi kalau Pak Saiful itu nanti
auditnya sudah
mau ke doktoral SI, memang nanti harus menguatkan di sistem di IT-nya gitu.
Nanti jadi, saya tak risetnya aja, Prof. Nanti tak soal
Prof. Itu bagus.
Kalau saya riset IT, information accounting information system atau audit information system, nanti tak soal sama Prof.
Iya, insya Allah nanti saya siap. Kalau di negara-negara maju itu ekonomi itu digabung dengan information system itu. Jadi
Iya, Bro. Sekarang
jadi
sudah blockchain
iya,
gitu-gitu, AI.
jadi iya. Jadi kalau cari coba nanti kalau PhD manajemen ekonomi gitu ketemunya ya information system di dalamnya gitu. Satu fakultas. Kita itu kalau di negara-negara maju banyak yang satu fakultas. Tapi kalau di Indonesia itu
Beda waktu.
jadi fakultas informatika dan komputer. Agak jauh sebetulnya. Akhirnya Undip lumayan bagus, Undip. Masuk ke multidisiplin. Seperti Mbak Ratna itu multidisiplin. Lingkungan itu kan multidisiplin. Nah, information system itu kita menganggap juga multidisiplin. Itu lebih bagus
Yes.
daripada information system dimasukkan ke informatika gitu.
Sekarang
Ya.
banyak yang multidisiplin, Prof.
Iya,
Dibuat
nah itu
multidisiplin.
betul kok.
Bahkan
Ini
riset-riset saja multidisiplin sekarang.
trennya memang seperti itu, Pak. Kalau kita sendiri bekerja itu ya inilah nggak berkembang gitu.